Hello guys, this is John here, and today we're going to review something special, but something from 1988 in Doctor Who. And today we are going to look out the special weapon Dalek. Kinda cool. Hold on. Oh, I'm trying to move this. Yeah, that's better. Kinda cool figure and like a tank Dalek. But this is not the collector's set Remembrance Dalek. This is sound effect Remembrance Daleks. But you can see the switch and the noise over there. Yeah. Well, this is sound effects special weapon Dalek. Not the normal special weapon Dalek. It's sound effects. Well, you can see the head's moved and you can turn backside and also spin around. Wheels and kind of cool figure. Special weapon Dalek has maximum power. Well, kind of cool figure. I got it from the Comic Con with Lloyd, but 2 years ago. Got it from 2 years ago. Special weapon Dalek has more powerful than the other Daleks. This special weapon Dalek. This Dalek has been created by Davros. The Imperial, they has been used by Imperial Dalek to wipe out the Renegade Daleks, and he has maximum power and maximum exterminate, wipe out the Renegade Daleks and like 2 scenes in Remembrance from the Remembrance of the Daleks. Yep, is insane. Special weapon Daleks is from part 4. But not any parts, not just any parts. But Remembrance, but 4 parts in Remembrance of the Daleks, 4 scenes. But this one is in from 4 scenes. Yeah, he's been created by Davros. Well, he's used by Davros, by creator of the Daleks. Yeah. The Davros has created Imperial Daleks and included Special Weapon Dalek, and Davros was become the Emperor. Yeah, he's becomes the Emperor, but I like him when he becomes the Emperor, but he's shiny white. Yeah, but this you can see the dirty over there, very dirty. But I don't get it. Why is it dirty? And let me switch this thing on, and you can see the sound effects. Let me press the. Try to press this button and you go sounds. Press double click. After you switch it, and then after you switch it off, and then press it, and then you put it back on, and then he talked. I see. Yep, that's the voice when it's loud. That's all the voice when they do. That's all the voice. Got it from the Comic Con from 2 years and head spin, and the special weapon Dalek is powerful than the Renegade Daleks, and the Renegade Daleks was destroyed except the Supreme Dalek in Remembrance of the Daleks, and the Black Supreme Dalek was survived from the Imperial Daleks, and they take the hand of Omega and return to her Mother Sith, and very good figure. And you can do that, or that, or probably that. Very nice figure, very nice figure. Very good figure. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please below, subscribe, press like, and press comment. I'll see you on the next video.